It is so much more than just a party, our divine obligation. It is a dedication to our passion. If it lays in music, crafts, IT or media, we all give what we have to create something bigger every day. Cabana Libre is not just a non-profit cultural association. It is more than just an international collective of artists. Cabana Libre is the product of an always growing community surrounded and supported by great artists who give everything to create great experiences. We arrive one day earlier to set everything up, and we go one day later to leave everything as it was. Except the little sparkles we left in the place. The smile of the hosts that everything went well. The feeling that they connected with a great community. Days after, we are still thinking about you dancing, about you turning the place in what it was meant to be. Come as you feel, spread your energy, and dance like no one is watching. Close your eyes and follow the beat.